वैक्स म्यूजियम बनाते हैं, तो वैक्स का बना के रखना चाहिए ताकि एक्टर कितने लोग जो फैंस है एक्चुअली उनके साथ तो नहीं ले, क्योंकि अभी ज़िंदा नहीं है वो, उनके साथ एक फ़ोटो लेगा, फिर उनके बारे में बहुत सारे डिटेल में रखना चाहिए आर्काइव्स। सो उन्होंने कितने फिल्मों में काम किया, क्या क्या किया है, वो सब कुछ जानकारी मिलेगी लोगों को, आगे आने वाली जनरेशन को।
How can we ignore the fact that Mumbai is known for filmmaking, and because of that, India is also known for its movies, and this is how we connect with the world.
Today I am very happy to be here in an exhibition that says Lens and Legacy, because photography has its inception from Tripura, and the legendary music directors belong to this Bollywood industry.
I think we should have more museum for photography, more documentation, because this is history and history should be documented well to coming generation to see.
मुंबई शहर की महत्वता को कम करना ये मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है।
It's absolutely a spectacular feeling because when this was conceived, knowing fully well that NGMA has never done a show on Bollywood, it was like a dream. Yeah. All these photographers and archivists somehow got connected and they immediately responded to this show, and this has come out so beautifully, and all the visitors and audience, everybody is appreciating it. It's like a dream come true.
And as Srimati Hema Malini ji was saying, Mumbai is the house of dreams, is the land of dreams. And as Calcutta is called the city of joy, I believe Bombay should be called the city of hope. So many people come here with their dreams and to fulfill them and turn them into realities.
मुंबई शहर की महत्वता को कम करना ये मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है। And therefore, UNESCO also has to recognize the same. And how can we forget that this Mumbai city in itself has given a best for the drama, theatres, Marathi film industry, be it our great industry, Hindi film industry, Bollywood. And that's why this Bollywood in focus need to be bring on the day of birth anniversary of Dada Saheb Phalke ji.
It's a very beautiful display of wonderful photography by many great photographers. यहाँ पे मेरे सबको जानती हूँ लेकिन नाम थोड़ा भूल गई हूँ किसी किसी का। शांतनु ने तो मेरा बहुत सारे फोटोज लिया है, इसके अलावा मैंने इन बहुत सारे लोगों का नाम लिया। मेरा हमारे शूटिंग के दौरान उन दिनों में कितने लोग आके मेरा फोटो, धीराज चौड़ा जी ना, so और सब पिक्चर्स अनमोल। माय आइडिया इज देयर बट लाइक इंग्लैंड में है कई जगह मैडम तुसाद का वैक्स म्यूजियम बनाते हैं, तो वैक्स का बना के रखना चाहिए ताकि एक्टर कितने लोग जो फैंस है एक्चुअली उनके साथ तो नहीं ले, क्योंकि अभी ज़िंदा नहीं है वो, उनके साथ एक फ़ोटो लेगा, फिर उनके बारे में बहुत सारे डिटेल में रखना चाहिए आर्काइव्स। सो उन्होंने कितने फिल्मों में काम किया, क्या क्या किया है, वो सब कुछ जानकारी मिलेगी लोगों को, आगे आने वाली जनरेशन को। You know, that is what my idea was. That I will insist on having this. I will tell the कल्चरल मिनिस्ट्री में भी बोल के मैं ज़रूर काम कराऊंगी। एटलीस्ट एक 5-6 एकड़ लैंड में एक एक्टर का अलग अलग बना के सब कुछ, उनके गाने जितने फेमस थे, क्यों फेमस था, मे बी उनका कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऑल्सो यू शुड डिस्प्ले, कुछ अच्छे पिक्चर का जो है। इट्स अ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ नॉट वन पर्सन, इट्स एंटायर यूनिट।
It's great that we're exhibiting what work we do all our life, and exhibiting at NGMA is a great thing. It's a great venue, and plus Bollywood. So we all grown with the films, with the stars. But I've been photographing them from last 30-35 years, so, and we are exhibiting them. So I'm very happy, and people should come and see this exhibition. To the masters, people who worked very hard, who made their lives. From Amitabh Bachchan to Shah Rukh Khan to Dev Anand to Raj Kapoor, and they are integral part of our life. We hear them. Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Mangeshkar. We hear them in all the day. Something some dialogue, something. So it's part of our life, and we are celebrating this with Dada Saheb Phalke's birth anniversary. I think it's a great coincidence.
When I was working in the BMC, the very dossier to the UNESCO was prepared by me along with Shashi Bala and other people in the BMC. We submitted this dossier to UNESCO. Our dossier was accepted and Mumbai got recognition as the creative city of films. How can we ignore the fact that Mumbai is known for filmmaking, and because of that India is also known for its movies, and this is how we connect with the world. This is the most strange posting in my career. I have always been in urban administration or in the districts in the Mumbai metropolitan region, and all this has happened all thanks to the fact that I come from Indian Administrative Service and I have served in the Mumbai metropolitan region, and I could bring in a lot of people. The power of collaboration, the power of converging with different voices, and that's how it has been possible.